I don't know if the sun wakes me up or I wake it up, but once we're connected, we kind of follow each other throughout the day. I just wanted to trump the Lakota on their early making of the original creation, also known as man. Well, the Huron believe that the earliest notated sign of anything that resembles the human side came about when two dogs, rather large dogs, got in a fight. And, with those claws and those teeth, picking and pawing at each other over the disagreement of that day, some matter gave way on each side and ended up almost like in a indentation, like a mold in the rocks. And that matter ended up all in that one spot. And so when they saw some movement over in that direction, they stopped their fighting and started looking at what was forming in between the rocks. And well, that matter ended up becoming the original organisms of human matter. And so they spent much time trying to enlighten this new creation, a cookie cutter, if you will, created from blood and other bodily fluids of the two. And in teaching this new life the ways of the world back then, they decided, well, they're not learning fast enough, so we're going to create another one. And maybe this one will learn faster. So they did. And then they kept making these organisms that eventually were called humans. And then these humans started multiplying all on their own. And then they went back to the original organism and they said, we don't like where the image of you is going. And the original organism said, I don't know what to tell you. I'm made of your blood. I don't know where they came from. All things are connected, interrelated, if you will. It's just how you go about using them. For good or for your selfish, greedy purposes. Me, personally, I'm sticking with the earth.